You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this French priest. For more names from French and from the Bible as well, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Michel, that's French for Michael, of course. De Certeau, Michel de Certeau. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you could say it as Michel de Certeau. Michel de Certeau, or in French again, Michel de Certeau. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.